who's one of the most silly, fun, and wise kids you will ever have the privilege of meeting.
Hi, my name is Lucas, and the reason I started at Jeff's Place is because I lost my dad in a hunting accident. It's in November of 2011. Jeff's Place has changed my life. I've been going there for 3 years now. My first day at Jeff's Place, I was very nervous, but it turned to be one of my favorite places to go. We get to do fun things like play outside or go downstairs and play some games. Jeff's Place has taught me to express my feelings, and it is okay to cry about it. It's taught me I'm not alone in this world, and there are other kids that are like me. It's great to have the support of Jeff's Place, but not only them are friends we have there.